Hello, Papa J learns Excel here. So in the previous video, I taught you about the function subtotal, right? So we learned about subtotal sum, subtotal average, and subtotal count. Okay, so today I shall focus on subtotal sum. So what we did over here is, let's revise a little bit. We have we want to sum up the integer value. So we have a function number. This function number 9 is actually, it means sum. Okay, it means sum. 1 means average. Okay, and this is the column that we want to sum up. So if you, for example, if you select a region, you select region center, then you will give the figure over here will be the total of the central region. Okay, so it's 49.2 million over here. So we also can do this. Okay, so let me just go back to the original table again. So we also can do this, right? We can do a subtotal for the different regions or the different states, different location. Okay, so let's try region. Okay, so what you can do is we want to find a subtotal for the 4 different regions. Okay, these 4 different regions. So what you can do is you can go select the whole table, then you go to data. Okay, go to data, this is data, right? Go to outline and you click subtotal. Okay, so at each change in region, okay, you want to find out the total integer value, which is the sum. So you also can find out count, calculate the count and the average, but we are going for sum. Okay, and add the subtotal to insert. Okay, so we are going to sum up the integer, right? Okay, then you just click OK. Okay, now you have this east total, mean west total, east total, mean west total. Oh, what happened? So what it's doing over here is it will go down the list and then total up. Okay, do the subtotal. So over here you will get a few east total. This is not what we want, right? Okay, so now we just undo. Okay, undo our operations over here. Okay, so what you want to sort according to the region. You need to sort according to the region first before you do this subtotal operation. Okay, so you just go back to data and then you sort. You do a simple sort. Okay, shortcut with SA, do a simple sort. Okay, now it will sort according to the region: central, east. Okay, the 4 regions are central, east, west, and northeast. Okay, now we can apply the subtotal. Okay. Now you go to data, outline, subtotal. Okay, at each change in the region, you want to calculate the sum of the initial value over here. And you click OK. There you have it. You have 49.227 million, which is the one that we saw over here just now. Okay. So this also works. So if you hover over and you look at the formula over here, it's also using the subtotal. Okay. Now we go to east. East is a bit long. Okay, let's scroll down to east. It's also using the formula subtotal over here. Okay. This is how you do it. Okay. The beautiful thing is you can see 1, 2, 3 over here, right? So when you click 1, what happens? It will give you the grand total. Okay, the grand total is 2.48 billion. Okay, which is the total integer value of all the regions. Okay, then you click this, you will go back to the whole table again. Okay, let's click this again. Click 1, and then you click 2. It will show you the different regions and the total. Okay, then you click 3, you go back to the original table with the subtotal. Okay, now this is very useful because you do not need to do subtotal for each region. And let's say you don't want to do it for a region, you want to do it for the location, urban or rural or the state, you can do so. So what you can do is you just go back to the data again, subtotal, right? And let's say you want to change to location. Okay, sum initial value. Okay, then you will change. Okay, you will change urban, rural, but of course we need to sort this first. Okay, what you can do is you need to sort this. Okay, so let's say we go back to sorting this. Okay, this will remove the subtotal and total and sort again. Okay, now after you sort it, you go back to subtotal again, and we go by location. Okay, yes, now you have the total, right? Rural and urban. Okay, now you go back to original list. All right, now you have the total. Okay, so let's say we want to do the subtotal according to the month. Okay, what we can do is we can sort this again, sort according to the expiry. All right, okay, how do we sort? Let's go to data and do a simple sort on the expiry. Okay, now it's sorted according to the month: January, February, March, April, May, June. But if let's say we do let's say we do a subtotal over here according to the expiry, what will happen? So it will give you, it does not give you based on the month. It gives you based on the date, right? So this does not work. So we have to do something to it. Okay, let's press Ctrl Z. Let's create another column called month. Okay, and you just extract the month out. Okay, so this is month 1. Okay, what we do is we populate this to all the cells. You can see. Alright, now we have all the months in order. So what you can do is you just select the whole table, you go to subtotal, and you total up by each month. Okay, month, sum, and we want insert value. Okay, now we have the month. Let's say January has 314 million, right? February has 254 million, even more than January. And March has a little bit lesser. Okay, and what about December? December we have 376 million. Okay, so this is how you subtotal on the table itself. Okay, so that's it for subtotal. This is Papa J Learns Excel here. Okay, see you next video. Bye.